Hello friends, today I will show you how to correct a wrong date in Excel. This is my wrong date I want to correct. Step number 1, select entire wrong date. It can correct one column at a time. Then step number 2, click on data tab and this data we have text to column right hand side. Click on that. Here you have to say next 2 times. Doesn't matter this on, fixed with on or delimited. Just say next 2 times, next. Before saying this, when you say first next, make sure nothing is checked here. So 2 times next, click on date. These are the possible format you may receive from sources. Right now if you see your dates, the format seems to be MMDDYY, MDY. So Excel asking to you the format which is here, the wrong date format. Excel never asks to you your date format. Excel knows your date format. So Excel asking to you the wrong date which you have now. What is the format of that wrong date? These are the possible format you may receive from sources. So it seems to be MDY. Just say MDY. Click on finish. The moment you click on finish, Excel will convert all wrong date into your computer's format, whatever it is. And this is valid date for you now. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.